Introducing the multi-purpose LED Jelly Jar Retrofit Kit from Overdrive. This product can be used for jelly jar or wall pack applications, or any keyless socket. Overdrive Jelly Jar kits are ideal for retrofitting applications where you experience short bulb life. They are constructed to withstand rough, dusty, humid, and harsh conditions. A constant current driver gives steady light during voltage fluctuations. The LED chip emits light up to 135 lumens per watt. The F1 rated UV stabilized polycarbonate cover offers additional weathering capabilities and provides uniformly diffused light over large areas with no spots or shadows. These kits are also easy to install with no wiring necessary. Just remove the existing jar and bulb, screw in the pigtail adapter, then insert the Overdrive Jelly Jar kit. Optional silicone gaskets and adapter rings are also available to easily install on a standard junction box. To replace an existing porcelain socket, simply turn off the power, remove the porcelain keyless socket, disconnect the wires, connect the hardwire pigtail using wire nuts, screw on the adapter, connect the orange wire connector, screw in the Overdrive Jelly Jar, and turn on the power. These kits are available in ceiling and wall-mounted adapter options, available in various color temperatures and wattages. They are approved for wet locations. These kits are Energy Star compliant and DLC listed, so utility rebates are often available. If you have any questions about this product, give us a call at 888-455-2800 to speak with a lighting specialist.